JJ 넌 너의 생각과 빛 우린 거짓말 사야지 그냥 너를 지금 잡을래 I mean 겨울인가 봐 왔어 Don't you remember your first love If you love me drive it out until it flows 어차피 내겐 전부터 맞지 않는 거
First thing I'm going to do is cleanse my face. In the morning I've been using this laneige cream milk skin milk oil cleanser. Sort of a combination of milk and an oil cleanser, so it's like really gentle. It's super simple in the morning and it doesn't sting your eyes, which is important. I think in morning cleanser you just want to wake up and not like be attacked right away. You know, you want to soothe into your day. And this one contains mineral seed oil. It's fragrance free, also sulfate free. Really nice slip. And I actually towel dry my face because I really don't have time to let my face air dry. I got in with this dearklairs mist that I filled up with their hydrating water. I put this in the shower because sometimes when I even shower I just spray this on top so that my skin doesn't get really tight. So I just let this sit on my face while I get dressed, get ready, and do my hair. I am done with my toner. I also brush my teeth. I got my tea. Wait, let me grab my tea. I'm trying to drink less coffee and more green tea. You know, sometimes you just need a coffee too. So operate and function, it totally makes sense. Usually in the daytime, I will use a vitamin C or niacinamide kind of product. This is the niacinamide brightening toner by Good Molecules. It's fairly inexpensive. It contains niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutine, and kojic acid to help brighten up the skin and also lighten any hyperpigmentation. It's very easy to use. It's like a toner and serum in one. So in the morning, I don't really use that much if I'm in a rush. But I give my eyes a tiny bit of a massage. I will use eye gel if I have time. And on days when I'm breaking out, I will go in with this COSRX centella blemish ampoule instead of that one. And then I will go in with my sunscreen. And I'm going to use this new one by Biossance. It is the Squalane plus Zinc Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. And you guys know I love mineral sunscreen. And this one is really nice and silky. It contains squalane, so it helps the product glide on. It's not shark derived, it's cane derived, so it's more sustainable. I just love Biossance products in general. This one has no white cast, which is crazy for mineral sunscreen. It's really silky. It works so well as like a primer base, so you don't really need a primer in the daytime, and it protects your skin as well. It is broad spectrum SPF PA+++, and it's SPF 30. And on days where you are not wearing foundation, you also can reapply because it's so silky, it won't peel. And on their page, they kind of swatched the Zinc sunscreen on deeper skin tones, richer skin tones, so you can see how well that actually blends in. I'm quite generous with sunscreen because I think it's very important, especially if you use like vitamin C, retinol, any kind of exfoliant like BHA and AHAs. You definitely want to protect your skin from the sun and also make sure your hyperpigmentation from acne doesn't get darker from the sun. So I think that sunscreen is like something very essential. It kind of gives your skin a subtle like sheen. It's not shiny, but it's not like dry touch. It doesn't contain that traditional very sunscreeny smell. It's either I use a concealer or a tinted moisturizer. It's really up to you. Usually I try to go for SPF containing concealer or tinted moisturizer. So I'm going to use the INNISFREE Simple Label tinted moisturizer. I really like this. I wish they had more ranges for skin tones. I think there's no fragrance and it's like kind of made for sensitive skin. Yeah, and this is like the darkest shade, so they really need to work on shade range. But it is a Korean. I got it online on YESSTYLE in Korea, so you know it's like catered towards Korean people, which I get. I think IT Cosmetics has CC creams that have more shades, so those are nice too. I mean, the shade range from IT Cosmetics have knocked my cup over. Not a cup over. Go clean it up. Oh, okay. That is my life. You can skip this if you want, or you can just wear concealer. I'm using this creamy mineralized concealer. This combo I really like because it doesn't pill on my face. Some products, by the end of the day, especially when I have a long day, it starts like cracking up on my face. But I find that that's probably because like a lot of the products are a little bit too dry, and when they set, and when your oils seep through, they kind of like break through the product that has already set. That's my personal experience. So I tend to use more like moisturizing and satin finish products. Plus all these have SPF, so I'm like, you can never have enough sunscreen, you know? And then I set my face with this YSL Touche Cloud 3D Overglow because it's a powder and a highlighter. And it's a universal shade because it's very sheer. I know this is like not a universal shade, but it's universal because it's sheer, if that makes sense. Not like because it's a one color and this is universal. No, very not that. For my brows, I keep it very, very simple since this is kind of like what I do minimally. If I really want to go out fast, I just like run a brow gel through my eyes, my eyebrows, I think, just to put some color and some hold. I don't really need, you know, IG baddie brows when I'm just like running to meet somebody quick. I like this KAJA Beauty lip color. It's like a mauve, but it's like really melty, sinks into your skin, sinks into your lips, and it's moisturizing, so it doesn't really look like too much on neutral days. Like everything has to be balanced, right? If you have a neutral like lip, you kind of want to have a neutral face as well. If you have strong blush, then you want to keep your eyes and your lips kind of like less. You know what I mean? Like you want to focus on different things. I really like these take a layer products from STYLE. They're like multi-pots. You can use them on your lips, and also you can use them on your cheek or eyes. It's very easy to use. I should have used this before the powder, but I forgot. You can use this on your lips too, so I'm just gonna go like this, and it's super easy. See how easy it blends? You can just use my hands too. Give your face some color. Just gonna add some definition. This dark brow pencil. I feel like brow pencils hold really well, so. And if I feel like I've over applied some blush, I can go ahead and kind of tap it out with this. And then lastly, if I remember, which I should, I go ahead and apply the same sunscreen again on my neck, because I tend to put very little sunscreen on my neck, and now I'm making it a thing to reapply more and be more conscious about it. Yeah, that's it. That's my super easy and quick minimal routine for every day if I am trying to run out the house quick but still want my skin to feel protected and still look good. It's very, very simple. This is Sarah's hoodie, Sarah Chang. I'm here on YouTube. I think it's super cute and super aesthetic, so I got it. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. It really, really helps. And hope you guys have a great day. Also, yeah, I got a new tattoo. It says meow. I don't know if you can see it right here. Can you see it? I was like thinking if I should get it or not, and I kept going back and forth because I was like, what if I regret it and when I'm an old man that I have a meow tattoo? But then I was like, that'd be cute even as an old man. Like, imagine old Ivan having a meow tattoo. I'd be like, that's still pretty cute. I won't regret it. But now I want more tattoos, so it's like a dangerous look. My ears are healing properly too. Thank you so much for all the love and all the DMs. I am working on making myself feel better every day, and I hope you are too. I love you guys. Bye.